I'm ready to teach you how you can start working from home and begin earning $200 commissions. You will have your own virtual assistant helping you close the sales for you. You will also get my $6,000 a month blueprint, but only for a limited time. And also be added to our exclusive Facebook community group. Imagine working from home and making your own schedule. You can make it happen now. Text or call 239-558-1975 in the U.S. or Canada. For all other countries, check the link below this video. This is a worldwide opportunity.